Welcome to Learn Everything for Free. Welcome to Crypto Class 1. In this class, we'll be looking at some outlines, some content, what we'll learn in Class 1 or what we'll be learning in Class 1. Now, we're learning what cryptocurrency is all about. We'll talk about what is crypto. We'll also look at the conventional versus the digital currency, why use crypto, the risk, the types of cryptocurrency, examples of cryptocurrency. Those are the things we'll be looking at. Okay, looking forward to learn in this class. So welcome to the class once again. The class 1 will be brief, self-explanatory. If you have questions, you can always ask questions. You can drop your questions in the comment section, and you can also DM me or chat me up on WhatsApp. Okay, first we'll look at what is cryptocurrency. Now, probably you must have heard of cryptocurrency out there, either from a friend, from a relative, in your place of work, in the market, or probably from your kids. We're talking about cryptocurrency, or maybe if you've not heard of the term cryptocurrency, you must have heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of them. Okay, now I'll talk about what cryptocurrency is, and also look at how it works. Okay, that will be in our second class. Now, this class 1, I want to introduce Bitcoin, introduce cryptocurrency per se. So I am introducing to us cryptocurrency and what cryptocurrency is. Now, the definition for cryptocurrency is very simple. Now, when we talk about cryptocurrency, what do we mean? We're actually talking about a currency that is digital. Digital in the sense that, when we talk about digital, we're talking about something electronics, something you cannot touch with your hands, but you can feel, you can see. It is virtual. Okay, now just giving us how cryptocurrency is. It is a digital asset, okay, that is designed to work as a medium of exchange. Yes, cryptocurrency is designed to work as a medium of exchange, just like the conventional currency. Conventional currency in the system, we'll call it fiat, F-I-A-T. Fiat is also known as conventional currency, local currency, the currency we use within a nation, a country. Okay, that is conventional. It is not digital. It is what? It is fiat. It's a paper currency, a currency you can feel or touch. But cryptocurrency is not the one you can touch or feel, but you can only see it, okay, on the screen, okay, via the internet, via your system, via your device. Okay, so cryptocurrency is a digital asset. Now, the way you see the local or conventional currency, that is how the cryptocurrency also is, but one is paper, one is not paper. Okay, now you use local currency to buy goods and services, okay, as a medium of exchange. Cryptocurrency too does the same thing too. You can use it as a medium of exchange, buy goods and services, and it's the same thing. It's a medium of exchange, just like the local currency is also a medium of exchange. Are you seeing that they have the same similarities? Okay, the difference is not far much. Okay, it's not far fetched. Now, talking about we say that it is a digital asset, okay, that is designed to work as a medium of exchange. Now, this medium of exchange is using what they call cryptography. Okay, using the medium of exchange, using cryptography to secure the transactions and to control the creation of additional units of the currency. Yes, they would call cryptography. Now, it is something different. Now, this cryptography, I will just quickly talk about the cryptography just in 1 or 2, 3 lines, okay, so you understand what the cryptography means. We won't talk about securing cryptocurrency. We're talking about something that secures the transaction, which is the cryptography. What we mean by cryptography? This is the study of what? Secure communications. Okay, cryptography is the study of secure communications. Okay, a techniques that allows only it's a techniques that allows only the sender and the intended recipient, the person that wants to receive the money, okay, or recipient of a message. It could be a message, could be you want to send money to that person, okay, to view its content. Now, for example, let's say I am Bob, okay, I want to send a message to Alice. Now, I want you to understand what the cryptography means. Okay, now I am Bob, I want to send a message to Alice. Now I will type hello. I'm using just a message. Now, let's say we are chatting on WhatsApp. Now, to understand what the cryptography means, it secures or encrypts. It closes a particular message. Nobody sees it except the receiver. Now, I am Bob and you are Alice. I want to send a message to you on my phone. I'll type hello. I've typed hello on my phone now, and I click on send. Now, this message is encrypted. It's going straight to you. Now you cannot touch it. They call cryptography. It passes through various is the techniques. Okay, passes through one or two communications on server before you see it. You can't see the whole process, how it's going. Encrypted. Nobody sees it. Nobody sees the message. It doesn't pass through a third party, either Mr. B or Mr. C or Mr. D. It goes straight to your inbox. Now normally you're not supposed to see it, but it's still the same cryptography that encrypts that decrypts or encode your message. Then you now see the hello. Now when you reply back, it will be it will be encrypted. It will be closed. I will only see it. So the same thing it is in cryptocurrency. I want to send you money. Nobody else sees it. It is encrypted, and the encryption can come in form of maybe digits. You see some mixed alphabet, number, digits, symbols, and all that. Nobody can interpret it. It is mathematical. Okay, it's a mathematical logic. It is designed in such a way that only the sender and the receiver can decode the message, can unlock the encrypted message. Are you seeing it now? That is how it works. So in cryptocurrency, it is very, very secure because the transactions are encrypted, and it is what they call that same cryptography. Okay, so cryptography is the study of a secure communication techniques that allow only the sender and the intended recipient of a message to view its content. Now the data here we're talking about are encrypted using a secret key, and then both the encoded message and the secret key are sent to the recipient for decryption. Okay, that's how it is. If I send you a message, you have to open your chat before you see the message. That's sometimes if you look at for example, look at WhatsApp, I send you an audio message. If it's not automatic, if it's not an automatic download, you cannot play that music until you click on download. It passes through a process that you cannot just see. You don't know what is. It's just their code. Okay, secret key that you need to click. The secret key can interpret it. Sorry, your WhatsApp will interpret it to download, but there are secret keys before that message can be unlocked. So I just want to say a little about the cryptography. So let's go back to what cryptocurrency actually means. Now, when we talk about cryptocurrency, like I said, it is a digital asset that is designed to work as a medium of exchange using cryptography, which is that secure network. Okay, using secret cryptography to secure the transactions and to control the creation of additional units of the currency. Now in local currency, you can mint more currency, you can keep creating more currency, but in the crypto space, you don't just create a currency, you cannot create any units anyhow. The cryptography is there to checkmate any additional unit of that currency. You don't just create any coin like that. Everybody will see it, will notice it. So now that's just for the cryptocurrency. Now I will not talk about the conventional and the digital currency. Okay, the difference between the conventional and the digital currency. What are the difference? Are they different? Yes, they are different between the both of them. Yes, we actually have difference between the conventional and the cryptocurrency. Now, if you're with a pen, I would love you to create a column, maybe 3 columns, and just as you're writing, you can create more rows. Okay, 3 columns. One, you can write 3 columns. 1. Okay, 3 columns. One should be for fiat. Okay, then the other one for cryptocurrency. That is, if you're with your pen, I think you should do that. 3 columns, 1 for fiat, 1 for, that is the first one. Just leave the first heading blank, but the second one, write fiat there, and then also write crypto currency. Now let's start with the first section. Okay, now there's no heading in the first section. Okay, after creating it, there's no heading in the first section. Now what you do now is this: the type. Okay, you can put type there, you can put type in that first section. Now we have for the fiat is real. We're talking about the type now. The first line, the first row, type. Now for the fiat is real. Yes, you can touch the local currency. Yes, it is real. You feel it, you can touch it. You used to buy something, you give the seller the cash to hold, to handle. Now then for the cryptocurrency, it is virtual. Okay, it is all virtual. You cannot hold it with your hands. You can only transact it, okay, via the internet. Are you seeing the difference between the fiat and the cryptocurrency? The fiat is a conventional currency, so I'm using the space language, which is fiat, but normally we call it conventional currency. Then secondly, we look at the portability. Okay, the intermediate. Now under the fiat, is it intermediate? Yes, it is intermediate. Now the cryptocurrency, is it intermediate? No, it is not intermediate. Okay, now look at the portability. Now let's look at the portability now. Okay, portability. Now let's look at the fiat, the portability of the fiat. Yes, the fiat is portable. Actually, it's also portable, but not highly portable. What do I mean by that? Now the fiat is portable except when the cash is heavy. Now you can handle one single note, 10 notes, 1,000 naira, $10,000, $1,000. You can hold it and it's portable. But when you carry load bags of millions and dollars of it, okay, in naira or in dollars, you see that the more you have this cash in volume, the more it's heavy. So it's no longer portable again when you have it, when it's even you have more of it. Okay, but in the cryptocurrency, even if you have $50 billion, $500 billion, or $1 trillion or euro, it will still be portable. Everything is just shrink, and it's just on your mobile phone. It's just very simple. You can have a phone that asset of that carries asset worth maybe $50 billion or trillion, and nobody knows you have such in your phone. I see the portability between the fiat and the cryptocurrency. Now talking about the durability. Now, is it durable? Yes. The local currency is moderately durable. Okay, but the cryptocurrency is highly durable, very, very durable and important. Okay, now the acceptance of this coin. Now the local currency, yes, is acceptable only within that nation, that region, that country. You cannot spend naira in US. You cannot spend dollar in Nigeria. You can only exchange it to get that nation's currency. Now I want to spend naira. I can only spend naira in Nigeria nationwide. I see the acceptability. Now, local currency or the fiat is only acceptable within that nation, nationwide. You can't spend it outside. You can only devalue it to now, exchange it to use theirs and you spend. Now, but when you go to cryptocurrency, yes, global. It is global. All throughout the internet. Yes, it's acceptable all throughout the net. Are you seeing it now? So these are differences between what the conventional and the cryptocurrency. Now I want to talk about the security. How secure is the cryptocurrency and that of the fiat? Well, for the fiat, it is moderately secured, moderate. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, it is highly secure, very, very secure, very, very secure, very, very secure. Now I want to talk about now even the security. We have more counterfeit of local currencies. Okay, fiat, fake naira, fake dollars, fake notes. But in cryptocurrency, you hardly see the fake. Yes, we have what they call fake, but the fake can be detected. You can tell which is fake on time. Okay, so it is more secure. Okay, and every coin have what they call an address contact. With the address, you can check if this coin is a real one or if it's a fake one. So now I want to talk about decentralized. The local currency is not decentralized, rather it is centralized. It is being controlled by what? By the central bank. Okay, CBN, central bank of that country. So they're the one controlling and regulating the local currency. So it is not decentralized. But in cryptocurrency, yes, it is centralized, and it is only controlled. Only controlled by complex maths, figures and numbers. So it is only controlled by complex maths, okay, behind the mathematics behind it. So we want to talk about the smartness now. We're looking at the smart and how program it is. Is it programmable? Local currency is not smart, it is not programmable, but cryptocurrency is very smart and very programmable. So those are the things I wanted us to look at. So we just talked about what cryptocurrency is and how it works. Now let's look at types of cryptocurrency. But before we look at types of cryptocurrency, let's look at how or why do we use cryptocurrency. This is class 1. Class 1 and class 2. I want you to understand this class very, very well. Okay, the class might be lengthy, but you need it. Okay, you need it. So if you're watching this video and have a friend that eventually needs something like, you can share this video with them. Okay, let them watch, let them listen to this audio notes. Okay, could be audio, could be video. I don't know how you're getting it. Okay, but make sure you play this. So if you're coming into this space for the first time, this video will help you. Okay, just follow our template. Okay, follow our playlist. Follow each classes from class 1 to the end of the class. I think with the help of all these materials, you should be able to find your way into the cryptocurrency, know how to use it, know how to transact with it, how to trade, how to buy coins, how to make fortunes, know everything about cryptocurrency. So it's all this whole class is in series. So this is just the class 1, and yes, it is lengthy, but you need it. Okay, you actually need it. Now let's look at why use cryptocurrency. Why use cryptocurrency? Now this will be in our second class, which is class 2. Okay, so to before we continue this, or maybe in the fourth, let's say in the next 2-3 days, just go to our YouTube channel. You should see the class 2. But before then, I will also urge you to not to forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share our videos with your friends and family. Okay, I think we need to round up the class 1 here. Okay, and in our next class we'll talk about why we use cryptocurrency, which is class 2. Then at the same time we'll also look at Trust Wallet, how to use Trust Wallet. I think I have videos on that you can check ahead of the class. You can go through the video. I think the video should be the old the first video I created or second video I created. You can go through it, but we have so many updates on Trust Wallet that I will need to introduce in our class. Okay, so it might not be like the video you watch in the description, but you still need to watch that video. It will help you, to guide you. You can start trading with the help of the video I created. So but if you want to wait till when we get to that class, fine, good. It will be our class 3. To be our class 3, how to use wallet. All right, thank you for watching. Goodbye.